Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by running Repadmin from an elevated prompt. This ensures permissions to query and repair Active Directory. Verify rsat/ad tools are installed and that DNS resolves your domain controllers by name. Once done, run Repadmin/rep summary to get a concise health overview. Make sure you note any error codes and the names of failing DCs. That context determines the next commands you'll use to dig deeper or trigger replication. Next, focus on detailed diagnostics. Use Repadmin/showrepl DC to list inbound partners and error statuses because that tells you where replication stalls. If a specific partition is behind, run Repadmin/syncall DC/a/e/p to force sync all naming contexts and see immediate results. When you encounter lingering objects, consider Repadmin/remove lingering objects with a staging or test parameter, but only after confirming AD consistency to avoid data loss. To finish, rerun Repadmin/rep summary and Repadmin/showrepl to confirm that errors cleared and replication latency is acceptable. Make sure to check Event Viewer and run dcdiag for corroborating evidence, because Repadmin shows replication while dcdiag highlights systemic issues. If problems persist, plan metadata cleanup or an authoritative restore only after documenting changes and scheduling downtime. Troubleshooting tip: capture exact Repadmin error codes and timestamps before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.